Hello, I'm Sian. Today, I'm going to do 3 by 3 in the blocks. Let's start it again.
Start it again.
Oh, that's great. 1, 2, 3. In that column now, I'm getting 2 happy. This is the side by 6 by side in 2. And good job! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's the impossible in attempt to repeat. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's past. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 by 5. This is 10 by 10. This is what they do with go. This is the blocks. I have an energy in this page. This page can be locked. Goodbye.